sure. It's not totally all that bad. But I don't know what that's doing over there. That's hubby's vitamin. I don't know what this fire ladder thing doing under there either. But so friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will not be doing a lot of talking in this video, so I'm going to play some music for you guys, and I hope you guys find this video motivational and inspirational. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave me a comment down below. Happy holidays, guys, and thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I love y'all, and I will see y'all later on in the video. So guys, while I'm cleaning and organizing on the cabinet, it might look like I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. I'm like thinking like, where should I put this? Yeah, so it's a lot that goes through my mind when I'm organizing or trying to fit things and see how things go. But I'm sure you guys can relate. I'm not crazy. But that's what I do basically. But a lot of time when I speed of the camera, y'all don't actually get to see it. So yeah. And guys, as I'm editing this video, I've realized that I really need to stop being trifling and get my hair done, because it looks horrible. It looks horrible to me. So this weekend I definitely need to get these out and get something done. So guys, these are everything I got out of it. The bags, I find another home for this. These right here, I find another home for that. And then these, I'm just gonna go through them and probably dump it or see what hubby wants. This needs to go with other stuff, and this is hubby's protein powder. So guys, this is the end. I got the cigars under here. I have nowhere else to put them. I got that dish right there. We have all these extra dishes, guys, so I need to go to the tumbler and declutter that. But when that will go over there when I reach that cabinet and start decluttering the dish section. Hubby buys a lot of those stuff because he keeps burning them and just tossing them. And then down here, I am so happy and pleased with this outcome because it's so much easier now when I'm cooking. All the pots, the lids are on each pot, so I don't have to be digging into the basket to find the lid to match. So that's easier. I got that strainer sitting on top of that pot over there, and I have this blender under here because it was taking up too much space on the countertop, and so it just fits right there. And I have it at the front because whenever I'm need something to blend out, I can just grab it quickly. So that's the that baking sheet. No, it's not a baking sheet. We just bought that because I saw it and I liked it, and I figured we can make mini buns. But that, when I reach the cabinet with the baking sheet and stuff, I might move that over there. But for now, that's its home. I should go ahead and take it out now. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Hold on, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove this too. Yeah, just remove it now. Okay guys, I ended up moving the cigar box because that fits better there and more. I'm able to reach it better. So yeah, that's how it is now. All right, that's how it's gonna stay. So this cabinet is complete. On to the next. And now I need to find somewhere to put these. I'm not sure when I'm going to put that one up. I'm not sure if I just continue and do that now or just go ahead and, because I promise you guys that I need to do the kids' playroom and decorate it for Christmas. So I need to do that too. So I should probably do that before I continue with the cabinets. Or maybe should I? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the side with the baking sheet, but I'm not gonna put it in this video. I'm gonna leave that for another day or for a separate video. I don't know. Should I just go ahead and hurry up and get the bottom cabinets all the way? I don't know. We'll see. Thank you, all of y'all. Have a blessed week. So guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Wiskf, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. They sent me over 4 tooth bags and I am absolutely in love with them. Let's go ahead unboxing this video and I'm going to show you guys all that I got. So guys, Wiskf, they have over 300 plus designs on their website, and they're constantly adding new designs to their website. There's something for everybody on there. Even if you don't see something that you like, they have an option to personalize one of your own, so you can add whatever you want on the front of it. So guys, this one is their grocery bag, and I am obsessed with it. As you can see, they have the card holder. It's huge. The straps are sturdy, so it can hold some weight, and you can carry it around. You can walk with it like that. You can put it under your arm, over your shoulder, or just walk around with your hand. It is a nice statement piece, and it is fashionable as well. So guys, the next one I want to show you is this one. It's from their Christmas collection, and I just had to choose this one because it's coming up on Christmas time. You know, Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and this is so cute. This is the perfect decoration of an all-white Christmas. Love the backdrop. So guys, Wiskf bags are all foldable. They are washable, so you can hand wash them or put them in the machine. They're made of linen. They have a variety of products like aprons, tote bags, grocery bags, and they also have cosmetic bags. Got, guys, is this one that says God says you are, and this one is probably my favorite, just because it tells you that God says you are unique, special, and all the good stuff. And then it quotes, it tells you what scripture of the Bible you can find those verses. And guys, among this one, they have tons of Bible or godly verses or options to choose from. So we all need a little reminder sometimes. This one is perfect for someone's. The next one I chose is this just simple bag with red flowers. So guys, their bags are perfect for everyday use. You can carry them to the grocery store to make a perfect gift. Christmas is coming up, guys. They have a Black Friday sale going on, so check them out. And I love the color. Add some to your wish list. And I think this is perfect for on Valentine's. Valentine's. So you see, guys, I'm thinking about all the holidays with my selection, but I love this one, and you can definitely carry them all year round. And as I said before, again, guys, they are so comfortable. So definitely go ahead and give them a check out. And yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Love y'all. Don't forget to check the description box for their website and my discount code so you can save some money, especially around this time of the year.